Let's have fun learning about numbers. Wiggle your ears and sing with me. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little elephants, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little elephants, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little elephants, 10 little elephants all. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little hippos, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little hippos, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little hippos, 10 little hippos all. Let's count together all the animals we saw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hello! Let's wiggle our ears and sing about the alphabet together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G. I like when you sing with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Ah, what comes after P? Oh, I know. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we've learned our ABCs. Let's sing again now, won't you please?